Okay, so I'm scavenging parts off of this old bike that I picked up in spring cleanup, and I'm going to pull cables off of it for the throttle on the four-wheeler. Pro tip, if you put the Allen key back in the holder, you can find it when you look for it next. Took me years to learn that. So this is designed so that you're supposed to feed it through the other way, but I don't want to take it out because the other end of the cable is frayed really badly. And if I take it out, I'll probably never get it back through. I mean, I could cut it off with an angle grinder really carefully, so I could, but I don't want to shorten the cable. I'm not sure it's going to be long enough as it is. So this is the 3D printed throttle cover, and I printed my logo into it in Sanity Works. I designed that in Fusion 360 and printed it out on an Ender 3. And that's my bike cable, which comes down and goes into the original throttle setup. That's a return elastic, yeah, very temporary. And you can see it all works. So, the kill switch is wired in through the original wire up into the original wire harness here. It's the original wiring harness there, which comes out up into that, so I can turn it on and off in emergencies. So we're gonna do a top speed run, and you can see everything's set to 0. I'm gonna start her up, stick this in my pocket, and run down and up the road real quick. It's gonna be a little bit slower on pavement because it's a posi track, you know, it's got no diff. I apologize, chances are this camera is going to flutter like crazy. So, let's see what it says. So apparently top speed is 28 miles an hour. I went 0.3 of a mile. Oh,